So here we are in late April. The last of the frosts have hopefully gone, and we can start to think about planting out some of these wonderful coloured summer flowering plants. They aren't actually annuals, but in a cold winter they will die, and so there's something we may have to replace year on year. And here we've got a nice selection of argyranthemums and osteospermums, and it's time to probably get them into the garden and get them going. The flower buds are just coming, so it's perfect time to be making a move on this front. So here we've got a nice raised granite bed, ideal for planting out bedding plants like osteospermums, and they don't take much planting. We've got a fair amount of roots, so they're going to have to squeeze them out of their pot quite gently. That's absolutely perfectly ready for planting, as you can see, and we just need to make a relatively small hole and pop in the osteospermum, leaving the label there, and you can see we've planted up some others. By the end of the summer these will have filled this whole bed, and then they'll probably die off when the first frosts come, but we're going to get flower after flower, continuous period of flowering right through the summer. And it's time you got on and did this as well, now that the frosts have passed.